Yo, what's up? Welcome back to Conda's Tech Tips. I'm Conda, and today I got something really cool for you. Recently, I did a video on my channel you can find about integrating your Twitch redeems into Vtube Studio. And while I was messing around with that, I kind of showed a cool little visual effect I set up for a friend for when they get raids. And then I started thinking, what if we could load a raid video on command whenever we got raided, thanks to the new Twitch integration? So after messing around a little, I threw together a little mock video, and this is what we have. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome to the stream. My name is so-and-so, and I enjoy playing so-and-so in this game and that game. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome to the stream. Get comfortable, raiders, and enjoy your time here. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is a threat. So we now have an item scene that I loaded via hotkey, but can be combined to the raid trigger via the Twitch integration. So I'm going to go ahead and go over how we load that in, how we save it, and then how we set it up to trigger on raid. And you will now have a raid video that you can send to wherever you'd like to show up on Vtube Studio. That'll go off anytime someone raids you without you having to do anything extra. Ooh, we love streamlining. Let's go. All right, so the first step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a video. It needs to be an MP4. That is the only thing this program will take. You cannot use MKV, which I think is like the default output for OBS. That's an issue I ran into. You know, yeah, whatever. But we're going to go ahead and just grab it. You're going to bring it on over here and just boop, drop it. Hit load. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome to the stream. My name is so-and-so, and now we have the video. So if you hit the load URL, which you should never do on stream, it's going to show the file path on your computer. If your personal name is in there, people will be able to see it. That is not good, so you should not do that. There's not really a reason you ever would do that, but just to be safe, just to let you know. All right, so we now have the video in here. So clicking on it to make sure it's selected, you can use the mouse scroll wheel to decide how big you want it. I'm going to mute him because he is talking over me, and that's very disrespectful. You decide how big you want it, how small you want it, where you want it to appear on the screen. And then once you're happy with where you have it, we're going to go ahead and we're going to create an item scene. Go to create new item scene. Hit select. Item scene name. I'm going to name this raid video number 2. I already have a pre-made one that I did to test this out to make sure it would work. And we're just going to simply hit save. Boop. You know, so I have it appearing right here. Again, select where you want it, select the size you want it. And then once you're happy, do that. Go in, remove all items from scene. Boop. All right, so what we're going to do next is we're going to go into our settings. We're going to go on over to our favorite hotkey, settings and expressions. Scroll to the bottom as usual. We're going to hit the plus sign. And we will name this raid video number 2. We're going to select Twitch, active triggers. We're going to do Twitch, where is it? Or Twitch raid trigger. Users raiding you triggers the hotkey. Wow. Then we'll hit OK. So it is now set up. We're going to go to hotkey action. We're going to choose toggle item scene. There it is. The item scene we're going to select is, of course, the raid video number 2. And then my video is 17 seconds long, so I'm going to go to stop after X seconds. I'm going to type in 17. And that's it. So from here, what it should look like when someone raids you is you'll be talking, blah, blah, blah. You'll get the raid notification, and then you will get this. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome to the stream. My name is so-and-so, and I enjoy playing so-and-so in this game and that game. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome to the stream. Get comfortable, raiders, and enjoy your time here. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is a threat. So now since I've set my 17-second video to a 17-second duration, it'll just fade out at the end there. I would say try not to overlay this with any raid alerts you have. They will trigger at the same time, I believe. I haven't tested that as I am currently not streaming. I am simply making tutorials on streaming. So I would say try and separate the two. If you have any sound alerts associated with your raid notifications, you might turn those off in favor of this. But yeah, it's just very much a hands-free, no-thought way to greet your raiders, especially if you're in the middle of a game or something. You don't have to stop, to say, hey, raiders, welcome on in. You get this automatic message. And then once you're free, you can say, hey, thank you so much, so-and-so for the raid, blah, blah, blah. But this way they get a nice little raid intro video that you don't even have to do anything for. Because again, it's all about streamlining, right? We want to do as much as we can without having to divert as much attention. So I will be continuing to play around with the Twitch integration to see what other kind of silly things we can do with it. That was just a thought I had yesterday. I decided to sit down today, see if we can make it a reality, and boom, here we are. We now have the raid video message set up. So as usual, let me know down below if you have any issues or any questions about this. Let me know if you came up with any cool extra uses for this that I didn't think of. And also let me know if there's any other tutorials you'd like to see on Vtube Studio or OBS, or any Twitch integration of Vtube Studio ideas you might have that you want to see me try and bring to life. Again, I'm Conda. This is Conda's Tech Tips. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.